Hi everyone, I'm Gregory and this is my garden channel. Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about growing food in pots. But before we start, I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land where I'm at, the Woiwurrung people of the Kulin Nations, and pay my respect to the past, present, and emerging elders. But also would like to acknowledge the traditional farmers of this country and pay my respects to the traditional ways of growing food that's been happening here for many, many thousands of years. Growing food in pots, some people feel a bit like, I'm not sure about that. How do we do it? What is the right way to do it? There are many, many ways in doing it, but one right thing is you can. And today it's going to be about carrots. Carrots are very easy to grow in pots. There are a few things you need to pay attention to. We're going to talk about those things today. Well, first thing, I found this spot in a shed. It's quite a large tub. It's been resting there for quite some time. And then I decided to grow something this year. So, other thing that I found in the shed was a lot of potting mix that was, left behind. A bit of compost as well and some manure. So what I did was I mixed all those mediums together. You don't need to be too precious about because carrots grow very easy in poor soils. Actually, they grow better in poor soils. The one important thing you need to pay attention to is the size of your pot, especially the depth. This one here is quite deep because carrots, they don't take much space, but they do need a lot of depth to grow, especially the varieties that I'm going to put in here. So we need to have at least 20 centimeters of space for them to grow. So I've got the tub filled with soil, and now I'm going to put the seeds. Carrot seeds are very small. And one thing is, you don't bury, you don't cover your carrot seeds with soil at all. You're actually just going to sprinkle on top. And that's going to do the trick because carrots do better if they are actually left undisturbed on top of the soil. One important thing is to keep it moist, right? And protect against wind and pesky birds. Now, next thing is watering. Thoroughly all around. Beautiful, that's enough. And the next step is actually cover it. So I got this Hessian bag, it was resting in the shed. So I cut it, Café do Brasil, of course. Just gonna put on top, I'm just gonna press with my hands the bag against the soil very gently, right? Just to make sure the seeds are making good contact with the soil. And then label it. It's very easy. A couple of weeks later, you come back and you're like, what did I put in there and when? Right? It happens all the time. So make sure you make a label. Put in there with the name, variety, and date, what's going on. And then you walk away. And then you come back, check maybe 2 weeks, and then see if you start seeing the little seeds start sprouting. If they start germinating, that's the time to remove your cover, right? So they get the sunlight they need to grow strong. And in no time, you're going to be harvesting carrots for you and your family in a pot. That could be in your balcony, in your backyard, in your front yard, anywhere. Just find a sunny spot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.